How could our revolutionary standing seam ridge vent get any better? The maintenance-free, cut-to-length Snap-Z ridge vent with better pest prevention, greater net-free area, and faster application than standard ridge vents now comes pre-punched and with pre-applied butyl tape for an even more streamlined installation. Step 1. Snap a chalk line approximately 1/8 to 1/16 of an inch above where the ridge cap will sit. Step 2. Remove the backing covering the butyl tape. Expand the overstuffed foam to fill the void between the top of the rib and the Snap-Z. Place the Snap-Z along the chalk line. Step 3. Fasten the Snap-Z with Type 410 fasteners with a minimum of 1/2 inch penetration into the decking. Space your fasteners a maximum of 3 inches apart. Step 4. Apply sealant where the Snap-Z joins the panel ribs. Step 5. Prepare the gable end of the 1-inch open-hemmed ridge cap. Step 6. Snap the 1-inch open-hemmed ridge cap into place. Step 7. Apply sealant to the ridge cap overlaps and fasten the ridge cap to the Snap-Z with a minimum of 3 pairs of pop rivets per 10 feet of ridge cap. Do it quick, do it right. Use the Snap-Z on your next roofing project. Call today or go to standingseamroofvent.com to learn more.